available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Yeah.
You don't have to be. You don't have to be. You don't have to be. You don't have to be alone. You don't have to be alone. You don't have to be alone. You don't have to be. You don't have to be. You have me. You don't have to be. You don't have to be. You don't have to be alone. You don't have to be. You don't have to be alone. Yeah. Yeah. I need my mama to call me. I need my pops to call me. I've been feeling very down. I just need to hear your voice. I can't seem to put this liquor down. I've been alone. My daughter tries to comfort me, but still I feel alone. My girl sitting right next to me, but still I feel alone.
Taylor.
I feel alone. I broke down today. Yeah. I finally felt the pain. I felt alone. I feel alone. I've been feeling really down. Yeah. I've been feeling really down. My life is fucking wrong. Yeah. I just applied to a job today. I can't let her do this on her own. I've been feeling very down. I can't provide for you. I can't provide for you. I can't keep fighting truth. I pray to God today, and that's the first I ever did that in a while. I felt alone. I try and keep a smile, but it ain't coming through. I tried to. I felt alone. Yeah. I feel alone. Why do I feel alone?